Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to record screen on Samsung Galaxy A05 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. To record your screen, first you need to go on screen recorder option. So first just scroll down the screen from at the top of your screen. Okay, when you scroll down the screen, you can see a lot of options on your screen, like just like that. Here at the bottom you can see a option of screen recorder. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, there is a pop-up window you can see on your screen, just like that. Here just tap on start recording. When you tap on start recording, the recording has been started. It take 3 seconds, 1 2 3, and your recording is started. Okay, and but you can record what you want. Okay, and after this, when you want to stop this recording, so there is a icon of a square icon. When we want to stop this recording, just tap on this square icon. Okay, when you tap on this square icon, so the recording has been stopped, and the video is saved on your gallery. So after this, go to your gallery and you can select your recording video. Okay, and you can play it. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.